I will go to Canada. I went to Canada. We will buy something. We bought something. He will meet me. He met me. They will play cricket. They played cricket. I will study English. I studied English last night. She will be a teacher. She was a teacher. I will accept you. I accepted you. He will help you. He helped you. I will work as a friend. I worked as a friend. I'll call you tomorrow. I called you. Teacher will be busy. Teacher was busy. She will sell the cat. She sold the cat. The baby will be cry. The baby was cry. She will make tea. She made tea. I will change my name. I changed my name. They will join groups. They joined groups. It will be good. It was good. He will do that. He did it.